Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit ad settings on your posts on YouTube. First thing you do is open up your YouTube, then tap on the friends icon at the bottom, go to the post you want to edit ad settings for, tap on the three dots at the bottom, then at the bottom here you see save, pin, privacy, ad settings. Tap on ad settings, give it a few seconds, then you have to set the options you have. Disclose post content, let others know this post promotes a brand, product or service. Tap on it, then you choose the brand. Are you promoting yourself or your business? Tap on it. Are you promoting another brand or third party? If you're choosing that, choose your own brand, choose your own brand. Then add authorization, allow this video to be promoted and you have read and agreed to the advertising content terms of service. If you have, tap on yes. You need to turn on the ad setting toggle first to edit and authorize, so turn it on. So once you've done that, you can choose for how many days. Authorize. By turning on ad authorization, you acknowledge that you have read and agreed and that you allow this video to be promoted on TikTok. Once ad authorization is turned on, the privacy status of your video will become available for ads so that the ad authorization team can review this video. In addition to TikTok, a video may also appear as an ad on third-party platform. If you still agree with it, you can now generate your video code. Tap on generate. So then you now go to the last option, only show in ads. This video will only be shown in ads and won't be visible to the public on your profile page. If you want that, tap it on. If you don't want that, leave it and click on save. So your video will be labeled as promotional content. This cannot be changed once the post is live. Click on continue. And that's it.